Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Lead by Learning. आज की इस वीडियो में we are going to learn about preposition और उसमें भी स्पेशली हम ये सीखेंगे the perfect use of in, at, for, by, on. Okay? लेकिन उसके पहले हमें ये भी जानना ज़रूरी है कि what is preposition. So let's see. A preposition is a word that relates a noun or a pronoun to some other word in a sentence. कि अगर कोई सेंटेंस हमने पढ़ रहे हैं इंग्लिश में तो उनका एक दूसरे से क्या रिलेशन है, मतलब उस नाउन का उस प्रोनाउन से क्या रिलेशन है, दिस इज डिस्क्राइब very nicely via preposition. Let's see some example. The dictionary on the desk was open. जो डिक्शनरी डेस्क के ऊपर रखी है वो खुली हुई है. An almanac was under the dictionary. Meet me at 3 o'clock tomorrow. So through this, what you can see with red color, these all are the prepositions which are showing the relation between noun and the pronoun. Now, इसका importance क्या होता है sentence में? What is the importance of preposition in a sentence? Prepositions tell us where something is in relation to something else or how things are related in space. जो कि आपको पता चलेगा in से, on to, with, over, under, on to, into, beside, or where, so, right, like this. Other shows physical connection or possession between nouns or pronouns and another word such as of, with, by. Some refer to the relationships in time, like while, during, after, until, before, since. These prepositions mostly shows the relations and the happening of the time, which you will find through lot of examples. आगे प्रिपोजिशन हमको टाई करता है नाउन और प्रोनाउन को एक दूसरे के साथ. अगर आप सोचो, इफ़ यू विल फाइंड any sentence without preposition, will that make a sense? No. Let's understand this through example. The discoveries planet, the solar system are now drawing closer. Cosmic terms, the word their discoverers. Does this make sense? I don't think so. But now see this same sentence through preposition. The discoveries of planet beyond the solar system are now drawing closer in cosmic terms to the word of their discoverers. I'm sure now this sentence makes sense, isn't it? अब हम थोड़ा डिटेल में जाते हैं. Like on, for, in, at. कुछ phrases ऐसे होते हैं, कुछ words ऐसे होते हैं जिनके साथ पर्टिकुलर प्रिपोजिशंस ही आते हैं. जैसे कि आप इसमें देखेंगे ऑन अ डाइट. ओके, आई एम ऑन अ डाइट यार. हे, आई एम गोइंग ऑन अ बिजनेस ट्रिप. आर यू गोइंग ऑन अ ट्रिप? हे, आई एम एंजॉइंग ऑन अ क्रूज. ए, लेट्स मी wish you a happy on a journey. On an average, I'm on pension. Well, on a regular basis, I go to school on foot. Okay, now let's go for food. I know him for ages. Hey, come for breakfast. Hey, join me for dinner or lunch. Now, what I'm doing, I'm giving you some examples. So, understand something. For example, for instance, I have to do this for a change. Let's go for a long journey. For time. When we say for time, when we are talking about a specific time, when we know the time, okay? Yes. Next, in. I'm in a hurry. In addition to this, I know this in advance. Let me tell you this in short, yeah, in brief. In comparison with him, I'm smarter. What you finally find in conclusion? Hey, don't go in detail. Okay? Now comes at. At the end of. क्या हुआ at the end of? At the beginning of the movie, it was boring. I loved that movie at the bottom of my heart. At the top of. I will buy this at all the cost. I want this at any rate. First, you describe at first. Love at first sight. Everything is at hand. Does that make sense? You might have found a few of the sentences through this. Now, again, let's go in detail. As we have seen earlier, also at first, at last, at least, at risk, at a loss, at first sight, at hand. Okay? I'm in a hurry. I'm in addition. In any case, in short, in brief, in cash, in detail. You should come here on time. Yeah, that was relayed on the radio. I'm on the phone, on TV, on a diet, on a regular basis, on foot. Yeah, she met him by accident, by chance, by bus, by train, by plane. I'm going by air, by sea. Okay, for breakfast, for lunch, for dinner, for sure, for sale, for fun, for example. Okay, now to understand this in more detail, let's see this chart. Where is she? She is at home. I'm at work. I'm going at school. She finds me at the airport. Let's go at the university. Meet me at 5 o'clock. At night. At noon. At midnight. At midday. At the weekend. At, at the weekend, as you can see, this at is used with the weekend but in British language. But if you will find the same in American language, you will find the preposition on, which we will see ahead. See you at the station, at the bottom of my heart. Now let's go for in. In the morning, in the evening, in the afternoon, in 1978. I will see you in 1978. He was born in March. Wow, in the spring, in the summer, in the autumn, in the winter. Means the season will be described via in, or the year will also be understood via in. Let's see you in a minute, in an hour, in 2 hours. See you in 2 days. Now again come on Mondays. Now, as I have told you earlier, that we are going to use on with the weekend but in American English. See you on Monday morning or Wednesday evening. I was born on my birthday, of course. On holiday, I'm going to Delhi on holiday or on vacation. On Christmas Day, on New Year Day, on May 11, on the bus. But whenever you will find a days, you will mostly use on the plane, on the ship. As again, we will find some vehicles like by car, by train, by ship, by plane, by sea, by air, by land, by undergo by him or her, by tomorrow. This work will be finished by tomorrow. Yeah, by next week. Yeah, by next month. Well, let's go for a walk. For a change, let me go to USA. I need for an hour, for 2 days, for 3 weeks, for 2 months, for 5 years, for breakfast, for lunch, for dinner. So for you are going to use for, especially when you are telling someone the specific time. At that time you need to use for. Okay? That's right. This is going to make you more clear about everything. Okay, now we will find some phrases. Till now we were learning about words. Now the phrases like on is used with on suspicion of, on holiday, on vacation, on purpose, on tiptoe, on no account, on a diet, on approval, on behalf of, on time, on business, on edge, on the verge of, on a trip, on a journey. Now in view of, in love with, in defense of, in disguise, in charge of, in terms of, in response to, in brief, in a sense, in reality, in action, in hand, in distress, in progress, in confusion. By chance, by law, by force, by the order of. Okay? Then by air, by sea, by land, by nature, by no means, by hand, by mistake, by means of, by heart, by far, by request, by oneself, by my watch. Now 4. For granted, for fear of, for the good of, for the sake of, for life, for some reasons, for good, for sure, for certain, for a change, for real. Now at noon, at the peak of, at the expense of, at the latest, at length, at a distance, at times, at night, at the top of, at the bottom of, at once, at odds with, at random, at all cost, at present, at the end of, at something.